Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ShareX auto-upload failed issue on ShareX in 2026. So if your screenshots are not uploading automatically or uploads keep failing in the background, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, open ShareX and go to your upload settings. Make sure auto-upload is actually enabled because sometimes it gets turned off after updates. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can stop automatic uploads without showing clear errors. Now verify your upload destination, like Imgur, Google Drive, or your custom server. If the service is incorrect or misconfigured, auto-upload will fail. Next, check your API keys or login tokens. If they are expired or invalid, ShareX cannot upload files automatically. Now run ShareX as administrator. Without proper permissions, background uploads may not work correctly. Next, disable VPN or proxy services because they can block background upload requests. Now check if your firewall or antivirus is blocking ShareX network access. Add it to the allowed apps list if needed. Next, update ShareX to the latest version because older builds may have auto-upload bugs. Now test with a small screenshot to confirm whether the issue is file-specific or system-wide. Finally, restart ShareX and try capturing again to verify auto-upload is working. And that's it. You've successfully fixed ShareX auto-upload failed issue. Now your files should upload automatically without any problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ShareX auto-upload failed issue on ShareX.